Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to clear Google Drive storage from your Android phone. So I will show you the some step you have to follow to clear your storage, Google Drive storage. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, I am on my Google Drive, mobile screen. So let me open Google Drive applications, and here you can see if you click on this three line option, you can see your total use from out of 15 GB. So as you know, the Google has provided us only 15 GB, which is very good memory free by Google, and you can buy storage from here also if you want to buy. But if you want to clear the storage from Google Drive, if it is full, then first you have to click on storage here and check whether in which platform you have used more. So you can see in Google Drive, which is 15 GB free, which is used for three services. First is Google Drive, second Gmail, and third is a Google Photo. So if you want to clear your Google Drive, then you have to clear these three services, okay, where you can delete the unwanted files and you can clear up your Google Drive. Okay, so you can see in Google Drive I have used 0.33 GB. In Gmail I have used only 0.1 GB, and in photo I have used only 0.14 GB. So you can check the all details from here. I have only used 3% here, and if you scroll down, you can see there is a plan you can buy from Google Drive. Okay, so first in Google Drive, you have to find out the unwanted files by clicking on search, and you can search videos file or audio file, because basically video file is more than GB. So you can see all videos file here. You can delete from here, just click on delete. So okay, you can delete from here, remove from here. So you have to find the unwanted files from Google Drive and delete one by one, or you can delete multiple. Just click and hold for one file and you can select all files, or you can now select randomly multiple files and you can delete from here. Okay, so this is delete option. You can see you can delete from here, it will be delete. So if you delete from here, it won't delete permanently. So if you it will be moved to your trash file, and there will be 30 days. So you have to delete permanently to clear storage. So come to the trash after delete all files, and you will see all files which you deleted, and from here also you have to delete all files. So then only thereafter your Google Drive memory will be free. Okay, so guys, from here you have to do the unwanted file first, then you have to go in trash and you can delete from there also. After that you have to check the your free space, and now go to the Gmail with the same email ID, because as you know I have shown you the three services which use in Google Drive. In Gmail you can delete the social emails. Okay, you can delete the one by one social emails, or you can select by clicking on it. Just click and hold, just click and hold, just click and hold, and you can delete from here. Okay, if you want to delete multiple files from your social and promotion tab, then you have to use your Chrome browser in computer mode, okay, or desktop mode, or you can use desktop or laptop to delete all mail at once. Okay, so I suggest you clear your social and promotion tab. After that, come to the spam. In spam also you have to delete all folders and file. Now search the email which is more than older than one, more than older than one. Okay, so here you can search larger than file. So I can search like larger than 1 MB file, or if you have more videos on your Gmail, or videos attachment, or any other files attachment, you can use like 20 MB files, more than 20 MB files. So you will see the all emails which include 20 MB files, more than 24 MB files, and you can delete it. Okay, so search more than file and you can delete, or you can also search older than files. Like if you want to search older than 1 month, you can search older than 1 month or 1 year. Okay, 1 second, older than Okay, this term will be only used in desktop. You can search older email from here. Just click on search bar and click on this date option and select the older than 1 year or 6 months, and your older than email will be come here. Now you can delete it. Okay, just select and delete. So after that, go to the photos, and from photos also you have to delete files with the same email ID. So from here also you have to delete from library, sorry, from photos. You can delete files and videos from here, or wanted videos from here, and your Google Drive will be member will be clear and it will be usable. Now I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.